Dr. Utesh here today. I'm going to talk about just a reminder for checking in. First of all, use the potty first just in case there's people already here ahead of you. They're not waiting for you to go to the bathroom. So potty first, use your little scanner, swipe in, make sure it gets you, and then come on over here and don't sit like a bump on a log, right? Get that body moving, doing some of your spinal exercises, some circles, just break up all that, those adhesions and that scar tissue, dust the barnacles off so that way you're gonna get a better adjustment. Once it calls your name, follow me. Of course, you wanna sign in. So the table should be ready for you. It's already been cleaned. The paper's clean. All you have to do is click on either you're gonna touch and then enter in your 5-digit or 7-digit PIN code, or you're gonna click on it and scan. This will pull up your x-rays, your health information, so that way I can give you a better adjustment. So once that information is beginning to pull up, now it's you time. Go ahead and relax, face down on the table, hands on the rest, nose in the paper, top of your shoulders, top of that pad right there. The more you can relax, the better adjustment that you're gonna get. And you know that, if you've been here for a while, you know the more your body's relaxed, I'm gonna get a better adjustment, it's gonna feel better, we're gonna work together, and we're gonna move towards that goal of yours. So don't forget, at the end, tear off the paper. Do it from the roll side, so here's the roll. Tear it off on this side, so that way it's much easier to clean underneath there for the next patient. If you're wearing sandals, you're gonna use this for the vibe, so that way it's underneath your bare feet. So it's gonna come on over here. Choose your favorite vibe. I like the one with the view of the mountains, but you're gonna come up here. Remember to take your shoes off. I'm just doing this for example. Shoes off, military posture, on the vibe, tight tummy. Make sure you're not doing a Superman or a Superwoman, right? So have most of the weight on your heels, right? Shoulders back. And so we're gonna set it for 5 minutes and go 5 minutes here. You may have different instructions from me. Maybe it's that you're seated with your arms out. You might be doing one-legged stands or pulls with a blue band. If you're not sure what you're doing, please grab one of us and we'll make sure that you're doing the right thing that help you get the best results. Again, can't wait to adjust you this week. Dr. Utesh, Wellness Key Chiropractic.
Guys, Loxy here with Wellness Key Chiropractic. A couple things I want to touch on this week. Make sure that you're all staying super consistent with your wobble exercises at home. I know we talk about those at the beginning of care, but after some time it can be easy to kind of let those habits go. So remember, there are 3 different exercises. We want you to do them 2 times a day. I think it's easiest to do them once in the morning as soon as I'm getting up, and once at night right before I'm going to bed. Just like brushing your teeth, that'll help you really form a nice easy habit to stick to. Those exercises are really going to help to rehydrate the discs in between the vertebra, give those nerves plenty of room to go to all the organs and the tissues in your body. They're going to help improve the mobility, get rid of any areas that might be a little stuck or tight, especially after certain activities like sitting for a long time or doing a new kind of exercise that you haven't done before. Going back to those wobble exercises to kind of reduce any pain that you're having is always a great idea. So remember, we have the first one of moving side to side, the seated cat-cow where you're arching and rounding your back, and then the twisty, which is everybody's favorite, right? Get a nice good stretch there side to side. Okay, so as well as the wobble exercises, you all should have gotten some specific exercises from Dr. Utesh after the first couple of weeks of treatment here. If for some reason you don't have those, or you lost them, or you have any questions about them, or you're like, I kind of forgot about those, maybe I should start doing those again, pick those back up, ask us for a new copy, whatever you need to do to get back on track with some of those more specific strengthening exercises that are specific to your case. And then the DENA rolls that we also have here in the office. Most of you lie on them after the adjustment. If you have one at home, make sure you're sticking to that every night, 20 minutes if you can get up to that point. If you don't have a DENA roll at home, a pool noodle is a great option. You can get those anywhere, dollar store, Safeway, Walmart, anything like that. You're just gonna place that DENA roll right at the base of your neck where you kind of feel the bump sticking out from that spinous process. And then also one here at the lower back. You're just gonna lie flat on your back like that and try to melt those joints over. That way we can facilitate those natural curves, okay? And then I also want to talk to you about some of the promotions going on in the office. Last month in September, we did the promotion. If you refer a friend to the office and they start care with us, you'll get a dinner on us. We're actually going to extend the promotion for the first week of October. So if you haven't done it, if you've been thinking about someone that you think could really use chiropractic care, but you just haven't got around to asking them, well, we're giving you one more chance. So for you to benefit from it anyway. So you can refer a friend, get them on the schedule with us. If they start care, you'll get a dinner on Dr. Utash. And then you might have seen the Kind Bar sitting up at the front desk. We have this awesome promotion going here. If you check in on Facebook, share one of our posts, or give us a 5-star Google review, you are qualified to receive a Kind Bar. They're really good, they're dark chocolate, super tasty, and easy way to get a nice little free treat. And we totally appreciate that. It helps us kind of show up more online, give more people access to our resources, and then ultimately help more people in the community. Other than that, we really appreciate you all and look forward to seeing you this week.
Hey guys, it's Shoshana from Wellness Key Chiropractic. It is the first week of October. Can't believe that the year is already 3/4 of the way over. I want to remind you guys of those goals that you first set when you came in the office. Maybe it was to lose weight, to work out a little bit more, to be able to pick up your kids, to be able to drop those medications that you were taking. Those are really important things to be cognizant of. And every 12 to 15 visits we do a progress evaluation. And sometimes we're thinking about the long-term goal that we set when we're doing those progress evaluations. But a lot of our patients lately have noticed even smaller things, like maybe they were able to reduce the amount of medication they were taking but not necessarily eliminate it. They maybe noticed better cycles. Women who were having trouble getting pregnant were able to get pregnant. We have seen a lot of those things in the office, so make sure that you're thinking about the little things as well when you're filling out those progress evaluations. We would love to see all of those small steps of progress towards health. That's ultimately our goal in the office, is to help you become a better you. On that note, if you have had a great experience in our office, there's 2 ways that really help us out. One is let us know that you want to do a video testimony or a photo testimony. So if you've had really great experience, just let one of us know. We can either record a video testimony of some of the benefits that you've seen in our office, or we can just write out one of the benefits that you had in our office on a whiteboard. We can take a picture and it'll go on our social media so that other people can come in and also get help for those specific things that maybe you were struggling with, that they were like, oh, that person had better regulated cycles, and so now I can go and get better regulated cycles possibly too with chiropractic care. And then the other thing is to refer in a friend. Like Loxie said, we are extending the September promotion that if you refer in a friend or family and they start care with us, your next dinner is on Dr. Utash. So let us know. We can get you a gift card to get your friend in. Just let them know that they can just call and say that you referred them in, and that exam will be at our expense. Have a great week.
Hey guys, Miguel here from Wellness Key Chiropractic. This week I want to touch on a couple different topics. So first thing first, our website. So go ahead and check out our website. We have tons of great resources on here. Shoshana's updating it every week, something new. You can also find our exercises that we have you guys do here as well, a quick tutorial how to do those. Also, what we're talking about, whether it be a headache series, low back series, sleeping series. So tons of great resources on there. If you need any help on navigating it, let one of us know. We would love to help you. Also, we're also sending out emails every week. And if you're not getting those emails, please let us know. So that way we can get you on the list to get those emails. Sometimes, it's a user error. We put the wrong email in accidentally, so sometimes that happens. And then also Facebook, we also have great content on there as well. So please like us on there, share our videos, comment on our videos, and then so that way your friends and your family that you have on Facebook can see us, and we can try to help them out if they need any help. Have a great week.